Hi, Mike Goldberg here with PROMATION USA. Over the last decade, the field of robotic soldering has seen a variety of technological upgrades and enhancements, ranging from improved robot gantry design, end effector dexterity, and data acquisition. Today's electronics manufacturers and manufacturers alike are seeking more and more process data and information. In today's video, I'm extremely excited to introduce you to the next giant leap in the field of robotic soldering technology, the PANDA 500 series intelligent robotic soldering platform. Before diving in, I'd like to remind you to click that like and subscribe button to stay tuned for all of our latest product launches and new product introductions. Without further ado, let's dive in.
Introducing the new age of robotic soldering technology. The PANDA 500 series soldering platform is the benchmark for electronics manufacturers seeking a high-performance, PC-based inline soldering system. After 2 years of ongoing research and design, the completely innovative robotic end effector features dual articulating arms intended to mimic the movement and complexity of the human hand. The brilliant and award-winning design allows for solder material and soldering iron to be removed and replaced independently of one another. The stunning soldering software is where human and machine come together, placing the human into the driver's seat. The elegant soldering software has been thoughtfully crafted to be easy to learn, easy to program, and features powerful process controls. Behind the scenes, our software works to tie user data with real-time soldering process data. Our intelligent solution mates user interaction and process data in a machine-generated log file. This process file can be sent to a directory folder within an MES network for client data collection. Our robotic gantry features a hidden high-dynamic vision alignment camera directly into the robot's Z-axis cylindrical shaft. Using the vision camera, the clever soldering software stitches together application images to create a visual map that is then saved into the soldering recipe. Using the software's smart settings, clients can also incorporate a unique product identifier known as a key mark. The key mark can be used as a product orientation validation and Poke-Yoke recipe verifier. Additionally, the Robot Smart Settings menu allows users to implement fiducial recognition points and product detection identifiers, allowing users to run incomplete or unsymmetrical layouts of product through the machine without any waste of cycle time or material. Our Auto Barcode Scan Auto Recipe Select function allows users the freedom to run higher mix product without error. Our in-feed barcode scanner can scan a panel code and automatically pull the proper soldering recipe into queue. The state-of-the-art PANDA soldering system wouldn't be complete without powerful soldering technology on board as well. Our high-performance 180-watt power supply and hot N2 emitting soldering iron guarantees process stability, while our convenient N2 tip saver mode allows the powerful machine to still feature lowest cost of ownership in its class.
Well, this just about wraps up today's video introduction on the all-new state-of-the-art PANDA 500 series intelligent robotic soldering platform. I certainly hope that the information in today's video was useful to you and your automation team. Be sure to visit us online at www.panda-usa.com to see all of the exciting and new innovative technologies we have to offer. Thanks again for tuning in. We'll see you next time.